Hi, this is Nakul from Engage Leads and welcome to the demo video of our upcoming software, Krowd. Krowd is a complete traffic system which enables users to quickly tap into the traffic source of over 320 million monthly active users and can be utilized in any niche without any experience or any additional cost. You guessed it, I'm talking about Pinterest. So basically, Krowd helps you in driving free traffic from Pinterest. So let's go ahead and see how this software works. Right now I'm in the dashboard of this software called Krowd. So let's go ahead and start creating campaigns. So here we have option called create new campaign. Let's click on it and choose your niche. So let's say you have a niche called meditation and put your keyword over here. Now software will find out what is trending on Pinterest in your niche. So here you can see software searched for some of the important or popular pins on Pinterest that are related to meditation niche. So here you can see this is breathing techniques, 7 common types of meditation and all other stuff. What is the best part of this software is it also shows you statistics, so you can see how many likes this particular pin has got and how many pins, repins this particular post has got, and that is how you know what is trending actually in your niche. So for example, I like this one, so what I will do, the next step is I will shortlist this and add to my inspiration. So I will click here on add to inspiration. You can see pin inspiration added successfully. You can see it over here. We can find out some more pins. Let's add this as well. Let's add this as well. And this as well. Okay, so now we have found 4 different inspirations. Now what we need to do, we will go ahead and create similar images or similar posts in our niche. So let's go ahead and pick up our niche, which is meditation. And now you will find automatically related images here on the left hand side. So if you want to create your own post on Pinterest using any of these images, you can choose the image, or else if you want some more, you can click here and find more inspirations of images. And let's go ahead now and say let's add this one. Okay, so we have selected this image. The second step over here is quotes. So if you'll put your niche over here, you will find quotes related to meditation or any niche you pick, and here you have got inspirations that we have shortlisted. So you can pick up quotes from here as well. So for example, if you want to pick this quote, quiet the mind and the soul will speak. Okay, so for example, if you want to shortlist, you can add this quote over here, or else you can search for meditation related quotes over here and use these quotes. So now you can pick up from these quotes, or else you can use this existing quote. So let's go ahead and use this quote over here. I want to add text, so click here to add text and let's add this quote. And from here you can edit it, you can change the font. If you want to use this one or this one, we have so many fonts integrated over here, so you can pick the one that you like. Okay, let's select this one. Alright, let's format this. We can change the color from here. You can change the weight, you can make it underline, you can change the font size. Okay, so basically you can edit the quote as you want. You can decide the position where you want to put it. You can change the color as I have shown you. Apart from that, we have few other options. You can mask it with the another image, or you can use different filters. So if you want, you can use this filter or sepia, all right, or tint, multiply. We have got several filters over here. Alright, so let's go ahead and now save this image. That is step number 2. So now my image is saved. Next step is publish the post. So here I will go and click on publish post. Now it will upload this image first and will keep it ready for the publishing. So here you can see our image is ready and now we need to upload it. Okay, so let's add the description and you can put your link where you want to drive the traffic. So here we have put the description, and now let's say if you want to drive traffic to your blog, so let's click on post now. Save it over here, and here you can see your post is ready. So you can check it out. This is your post. Alright. Now because we know that this quote is trending, these kind of images are already trending, it will start driving traffic to you, to your website directly from the Pinterest. Keep in mind that there are 320 million active users every single month on Pinterest. So in just few clicks, this software will allow you to tap into this huge market, and that too without costing a dime for your traffic. That's it for the demo. Thank you.